गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों। आज हम चैप्टर नंबर 3 में, जिसका नाम अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल, इसमें काइंड्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल पढ़ेंगे। काइंड्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल बेस्ड ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द साइड्स और एंगल्स ऑफ ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल। इसमें जो काइंड्स हैं वो साइड्स के बेस पे हैं, नेचर ऑफ साइड्स हैं, और एंगल्स, नेचर ऑफ एंगल्स के बेस पे कुछ क्वाड्रिलेटरल के टाइप्स हैं। इट गेट्स स्पेशल नेम्स, उनका अलग से कुछ नाम दिया गया है। जैसे पहला है ट्रेपेजियम। ट्रेपेजियम इज ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल विद a pair of parallel lines. A pair of parallel lines are in this type of quadrilateral. Here these are trapeziums. One pair of sides are parallel. These are not a trapezium. This figure is not a trapezium. Now another type is kite. Kite is a special type of quadrilateral. The sides with same markings in each figure are equal. Here I marked the sides of a quadrilateral. Same sides are marked and these are equal sides. As here AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. This is not a kite type, it is another type of quadrilateral. So a kite type quadrilateral has 4 sides. There are exactly 2 distinct consecutive pairs of sides of equal length. Consecutive means the sides which are connected at same point, as here AB and AD. Similarly BC and CD. Now another type of quadrilateral is parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. It has something to do with parallel lines. It has opposite pairs of quadrilateral parallel. So these are the figures which are parallelogram, and this is not a parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel. This is the definition. Now elements of a parallelogram, there are 4 sides and 4 angles in a parallelogram. These are called its elements. And suppose there is a parallelogram ABCD named by ABCD. Here AB and DC are opposite sides, and AD and BC are another opposite sides. Now adjacent sides AB and BC, these are adjacent sides also. These are having a common point B. Similarly BC and CD are also adjacent sides. Two more pair of adjacent sides are AD, DC, DA and AB. You can identify other pairs of adjacent sides or angles of a parallelogram. First property is the opposite sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. These are having equal length. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. These are opposite sides of parallelogram, so these are always of equal length in case of a parallelogram. Now angles of a parallelogram. Angle A and C are pair of opposite angles. Another pair of opposite angles are angle B and angle D from the figure. Now the opposite angles of parallelogram are always equal. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Second number, angle A and angle B are called adjacent angles. They are at the end of the same side. The angles which are at the end of the same side are called adjacent angles. Angle B and angle C are also adjacent angles. Now the property for adjacent angles. The adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. The adjacent angle are A and B. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. These are supplementary angles. Angle B and angle C are also adjacent angles. Then their sum is also 180 degree. Now the diagonals of a parallelogram. The diagonals of parallelogram in general are not of equal length. In case of square and in case of rectangle, the diagonals are equal, but in general they are not equal. From figure, AC and BD are two diagonals of a parallelogram. Now the property for diagonals of a parallelogram. The diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other at the point of their intersection. Here AB and ABCD is a parallelogram and AC and BD both intersect at point O, then BO is equal to DO and AO is equal to CO. It means the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. It will divide the diagonals in two equal parts. So these are the definitions for kinds of quadrilaterals. So remember these and make notes. Thank you. Have a good day.